Hey guys, welcome back to another quick form video. In today's video, we're talking about a nice offer that Boost Mobile has, and we'll go through their website as well, so you can see this is an official thing. But this is brought to you by Best MVNO. They just do a really good job doing this presentation, and I'd like to read it, give you my thoughts and review about it, and talk about this promotion, of course. So it says Boost Mobile offering a free Samsung Galaxy A13 5G online to switchers. So right off the bat, it's basically letting you know, guys, you have to switch over from a competing carrier, so it cannot be anything that has to do with Boost. So AT&T, Verizon, basically can be Sprint, or now I guess T-Mobile related, since they're under their umbrella. Well, using their network, of course. They're owned by Dish Network now. So, but right there, like I said, it's not fine print or anything. You can see right off the bat, it says new customers only, free Samsung Galaxy A13 5G when you switch to Boost Mobile and bring your number. So let's go ahead, and this is Boost Mobile's official website. As you can see, boom, a big thing right here. So the phone goes for $250, guys, which is true. A lot of carriers are selling this phone for $250, so it's a nice price. New customers only, Samsung Galaxy A13 5G when you switch to Boost and bring your number. Restrictions apply. So we can actually go down here. Well, they usually have it down there. Let me see. Guess not. So we'll go ahead and see some of it in the next slide. So here we go. Alright, so it says Boost Mobile is offering a free Samsung Galaxy A13 5G for switchers to their $50 plan. So right off the bat, you will have to get the $50 plan, guys. It says the free Samsung Galaxy A13 5G offer is for new Boost Mobile customers only that port in their numbers. The offer is only available online at the Boost Mobile website. So you cannot go to your local Boost Mobile dealer and get this promotion. You have to do it through online, which a lot of people can argue it's a good thing or a bad thing. You can say it's a good thing because you don't have to get out of your chair or, leave on your busy day at work or, anything like that. You can just order it from sitting down here at your desk or your job or whatever, even on your phone if, wherever you're at. So it's nice. They'll deliver it to your house. You'll activate it yourself when you have time, and boom, instead of going to a store, if they're super busy, they might, take a while, and you have to, set up appointments sometimes and this and that. They'll try to upsell you on activation fees and accessories and this and that. But on the flip of the coin, I would say it's good, because if you guys do need help activating your new phone, even though you can't get this offer in stores, having offers in store brings local business, should I say, to the market, as well as you can get help with activating your phone. You can get your accessory there instead of waiting to order one. And just interacting with someone that's knowledgeable about it, So, different things. It says, so it also requires the purchase of their $50 plan, guys. So it's not totally free. You have to buy their $50 plan, which is for unlimited talk and text and 35 gigs of high-speed data. So I don't know if you guys know, but since the switch from, from Sprint, they are now doing 35 gigs, which that's what Dish Network would say is unlimited data. So I don't know. I know a lot of people, for me, 35 gigs, plenty. For the wife, no, she needs more than that. And a lot of people, actually, especially if you don't have Wi-Fi. I have Wi-Fi here at work and at my house and work, should I say. And I never go past, I think, like even 15 gigs, if that. So it says, once the data allotment is reached, speeds are reduced to 512 kilobits per second for the rest of the month, which is super slow. Customers get 5G/4G data and a 12 gigabyte mobile hotspot. Adding an additional line is $30 per line. So it's pretty nice. For $50 a month, you do get 12 gigs of hotspot, which is really nice. International calling to Mexico and Canada start at $5 per month. Sales tax is not included with the discount price listed. So it says this offers interesting, as Boost Mobile doesn't normally offer free phones online. So maybe maybe they're switching up their whole strategy to, because not everybody has a local Boost Mobile near them. So if, you live far away from Boost Mobile store, maybe that's why you can't get there. It's making it more accessible for people that live a little further away from the store to get this promotion. So I think it's a good idea. So like I said, most of these offers are reserved for in-store only. So bit of a switch there. So not too bad, guys. Let me know in the comments below what you think, and let me show you once you click buy now. It's going to take you to the checkout, and boom, $50. Please remember the phone basically is for free. You will need the data plan. The limited plan for $50 is not bad at all. Check this, guys, out. You are getting AT&T Boost Mobile SIM kit, so it looks like you won't be using AT&T's. I mean, you won't be using T-Mobile's network. It looks like it's going to be an AT&T SIM card, which, you know, there could be some things to say about that. But for $50, I think that's a really good promotion, in my opinion. So, like I said, you basically just have to switch over, port your number in. You'll get the phone for free. You'll get an AT&T SIM card, which is $10 by itself. So you're getting that for free. And you're just getting the service for limited data from 35 gigs for $50, which is not bad at all. So let me know in the comments below what you think, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe. And do you want me to get this phone and review it? I might go ahead and do it for you guys. So thank you, guys. Stay tuned for a lot more videos your way.